Hi everyone, welcome to Z's Cozy Corner where creativity meets the conversations. I'm your host Z and you are welcome. Guys, before we dive into the conversations, ngicela ukunikhumbuza as always ukubana ningalibali ukuthanda bekunana, sicela uthando. Right. Well, today ndihleli no MTK. Yes. Umthokozisi wakanzimande all the way from KZN. Yes.
Yebo.
Futhisa unjani?
Hayi, siyabonga ukubale ekhaya siyaphila.
Yes.
Sibingelele nama-viewers ezi-podcast.
Yes.
I'm the one of the viewers.
No, thank you. I know that.
Yeah, I can say that like loudly, yeah.
Now uyazibingelela
Yeah,
kahle kahle.
ngiyazibingelela now. Yeah.
All right, Suputam, thank you so much for the love and support.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Umthokozisi Nzimande MTK there, Black
Shandis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like ngicela usitshele nje ngawe kuqala before like isiye kuvutho ndaba.
Asike sithi because I think abomama basibeke emhlabeni angithi.
Yes.
Angeke ngithi ingane ezalo mangcongo ke. Ingane ezalo mangcongo eSouth from Durban to Umlazi nali impilo sesibeke eJohannesburg but ubaba wami ke owakanzimani. Likely I think babuye endaweni eyodwa baba wami noma wami.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just bahlukaniswe idolobha nje kuphela ukuthi omunye kule wedicala omunye this side then from there yeah ngikhulele both families. Ngaba ngasho ukuthi ngibe nalo enhlanhla because when I grow up I feel like sengiyabona la ngama-holiday yabo othi ngobezwe ekhaya bahlupha ngayiphi ingane ekhuliselwe izalukwazi nje abazali bebekhona bezama ukuthi sikhule thina nathi siyimele namhlanje.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So ngicela usitshele ngomusic wakho. Umusic wakho mfethu unique. Like uhamba nje wodwa kwayo ilane. Ibile ngize ngazibuza ukuthi okay, akusiqoma, akusiqwaito, akusi-afropop.
Yes.
Yini?
Umthokozisi umuntu ofuser ama-genres. I listen to all music, Ethiopian music, African music, every music. Ngabe gospel, ngabe house, ngabe soret. Ngizothola ukuthi yini esingakayinika abantu as ama-artist. Because I feel like art back in the days bekumele sithumele i-message to heal people.
Yes.
To give people strength.
Yeah.
To wake up and do it again and again and again. So manje sesivele sicule ukuthi awu iside ayami so lezo zinto lezo umuntu okhulayo umnika isiphi isithombe. So it's important ukuthi siqhubeke encwadini eyayibhaliwe like asikhulise umuntu silapha umuntu sijabulisa umuntu. Yabo angikuthola usenkingeni uyi-one ungathathi decision ebad because we're listening to my music you feel like le mali esengibreaka ngayo la nawe edinga
awunayo. Yeah.
Yabo kanti mina mangibhala ngento esiyaziyo
into
esiyibonayo daily basis esilala ngayo sivuke ngayo kulula singacula ngekabishi because siyalidla sonke sikuhlukene ukuthosa.
Yeah.
Yabo asinike umuntu i-message asilapha umuntu asiphilise umuntu. That's why I'm doing Afropop, hip hop, Afropop, soul jazz, Afropop. So if you can come with your piano beats, you can call me. You can come with your drum beats, you can call me. Low step, 3-step, gospel. I'm always there because I'm the African vocalist. When I write the music, ngiyayigqoka leyo mpilo engisuke ngingena ngaphakathi kwayo. If uthando kumele ngibe in love noma ngekho in love.
Yeah.
To ukwazi ukudeliver the exactly message.
Yeah, so that sizoyibona lento le okhuluma ngayo.
Ngingathi ngiyakuthanda 2 minutes ayingeke sesixabene. Mangithi ngisothandweni okuthandweni naye kumele ngimenze abe more in love.
Ethandweni.
Mawuphukile futhi othandweni kumele ngikwenze ubone ukuthi uphukile manje but lento singayishintsha iphinde ibe happiness. Yeah, because I used to say kuhle kubi konke kuyafana. Kumele kube no negative kube no positive. So if you are failing to make it balance eshuthi nizohlala ufuna kube kuhle kuphela.
Yeah, and there's no way.
Yeah.
There's no way.
You know if like ngizodlula nje kancane from that way I saw myself checking igawule edustbin. You see how I look? Yeah, clean nginje. I was suffering, but I told myself I won't go back home till I made it possible. Like iphupho lami ngilifeze. So what they use ukuthi ngiyekhaya because ekhaya bazongiphakela for free. Bazongilalisa for free.
So you need to fight for yourself.
I need to fight for myself, for my family, for my kids, for
yeah.
my future. Because if my future is good, ozemva wami konke
Good.
right.
Yes.
If I am a loser, ozemva wami is also a loser.
So like you are not doing it for yourself, also for
my family, my people, because everyone is my family. Umuntu olalela music wami is my family. That's why when I write, I make sure ukuthi ungabi loser. Hlala la ekuthenini kuhle, kubi, konke kuyafana. Wena if uzofuna kube kuhle kuphela, ilapho lezogcina khona so sophatha abafana abancane. Yabo?
Right.
Yeah.
Wow. Uqale nini ke kungena lapha ku music? Futhi uqale because manje ulana and I'm sure awuvesana ngwa decide ukuthi let me dibanisa lezi zinto lezi zonke. Uqale somewhere. When was that?
Abazali bami mabesho. They used to notice this thing in my family. Mangikhula. La ngizodlala khona hlezi nginestini noma nginento engidlalayo. Ibhasi or ngidriver la manje or whatever. Ngiyacula bona.
Oh man.
Then mangifike e-primary bengifunda eThekwini, I was doing i-dance. Ngesikhathi sephantsula nani namakoya shaya ama-local. So mangifike emakhaya, the culture was different than eThekwini. Emakhaya bayasina, bayalwa, yabo lokho okukhulu. Dlalwa induku. So lapha ngathi ngiyifaka lento e-dance ayingabona ukuthi ayingiyiwana abafuthi abayazi lento ephantsula. Yabo? So yaphinde yavuka
lento yephantsula
yomculo.
Oh, lento yomculo.
Yabo? Ayimani ngiyabona ukuthi isiphantsula samasebenzi.
Yeah.
But kunento abantu mabeyenza when they singing those maskandi song, those culture song, nami ngizwe ukuthi
kukhona something
yeah, mina I feel like mawucula le ngoma mina ngathi ngayibhala ngeyami indlela.
Oh, like you want to add some
yeah,
spice.
Lento ngiyayizwa but khona ngathi iyashota somewhere so angiqala nama-gang esikoleni like firstly I was doing maskandi. Yeah, I was doing maskandi, man. But I never recorded those songs. I think like 14, 15, yeah.
Okay.
In my early age, I was doing maskandi. So that's why uma ngikhula ngiqala ungena e-studio, ngifika uproducer ngiyabona hey, you don't understand what I'm coming with. I end up doing it because it was already dominating by that time. I feel like iyenzeka lento but kunalento ehlukile to what into esizwa nale eyenzakalayo manje. Then I started created they call it African Afro House Kwaito music.
Yo, like zonke zifakiwe apha.
Angithi njengoba sengiyifaka la, I'm running away from that kwaito because I'm not a kwaito artist. But I can write kwaito. I can sing kwaito. I can rap. But ngaphakathi khona le nto engithintayo ubana ebaba phimisa lento le khona lento kumele uyikhiphe vocal wise uyinika abantu kubana bayizwe. Then it's why I learn ukuthi mangifika e-studio uproducer kumele ngimtshele ukuthi ibeat kumele ikhale kanje. Anga-edayo, let's work together. Faka le instrument, faka le izongisebenzela le ngeke ngisebenzele, let's move forward. Till I find my genre Afro pop. Sengicreate abanye abaculi. Mina bengikwazi ukuthi ngithathe i-artist le ngike ngaba nama group. I forgot to mention that. Ngike ngaba nama group from my group quite it was the Rocker Boys. I created another group. It was Domestos Team. Why Domestos Team? Because we were a virus. Khona a rapper, khona R&B singer, one song. Khona kwaito music, khona house music. Mina labantu ngifuna bacule in one beat.
Okay.
Not like separated beat, one beat. Should mina mangene ngevocal when I was ngekwaito yakho. Mina wena mangiqeda uphinda ngibuya ngevocal when I was ngaloko kwazi. And I am a writer. I don't sit down in the studio ucula into ebhedayo mase ngithi hayi right mina
awuyibekezeli leyo.
ngiyakuzwa ngithi sengithola i-direction yakho ukuthi uya ngakuphi kumele ngikulalela mase ngikuphe into ezokuphakamisa nawe. Mina ngumuntu othanda ukuphilisa abantu, ngithanda ukubona abantu bephumelela, so angikaze ngaba happy ukuthi mina ngiyakwazi ukcreate into ehlukile, ngiyakwazi ukcreate into emnandi. Asenze into emnandi sonke.
Yes.
As much as ngifuna ukuphumelela, mhlawumbe I can help you kuphumelele wena masuba ikusasa lami lokuthi ngiphumelele. Mhlawumbe uhluleke ukusiza mina but ozemva kwami uzomsiza. Yes,
that's great.
That's all I can say.
So angifuna ukuyibiza hlena.
Yeah.
Yona leyo.
Yeah.
Ma we starter, you were the only person, like nguwe kahle kahle umuntu oyiqalile.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Mina I even quit my matric because mangibhala class in a Premier League. Yeah, uMiss ulindele accounting yakhe mina ngibhala ngiyathanda nto. Yabo ngikuma leagues mina so akona ekhaya la shoot mina ngibhilongi la.
Oh.
Ngihamba ku Friday ngizobuya Monday. Umema wangibona ngeminyaka elandelayo.
Wahamba Friday
ngizobuya Monday esikoleni.
Yeah, uzobuya Monday. Then Monday yakhona yabani.
I wake up ngageza. Bayithethe ekhaya ngesikoleni ngabalinda abaphuma bonke ngajika ngabuya ngaphuma uniform ngaya studio. That was my first day in quit school because ngayibona ukuthi ngibelong ku music.
You felt like you wasted isikhathi that time?
I didn't waste my time actually because I've learned a lot from school. Yeah, I've learned a lot and the thing from the school I think business wise, I mean I didn't go to like university but that business studies I was learning from school, that English I was learning from school, that whatever esasifunda esikoleni mina kwangena wahlala
sasekhona namanje.
Yeah, because mina bengesona isidoma esikoleni. It's just that ngiyangitshela ukuthi bethu teacher efundisa mina ngeke ngicabanga i-lyrics. Angishaye ngisho i-answer right. Bothulele ntsonke lesikhathi ethi ma'am sorry.
Bongekho la.
Angikho la classini. Mina ngiku music. And first time I came to Johannesburg, I came alone. I don't have family in Johannesburg. I don't have relative. I don't have brother or sister.
Yes, one thing I've noticed about ama artists. I-risk ayayithatha like umuntu as long as othola lento le ela emqondweni wakhe uyangena. Azitshela ukuthi as long as othola lento le.
All I can say my sister. Music ufana nani? Ufana nempumelelo nentombi. Yawe intombi moyithanda ayushela nje jathi uthi ngibonile sahlangana ngabeka ayibika ngadlula intombi moyithanda uyayilwela. So music does the same thing. Umndeni wakho mowuthanda uyawulwela. Yabo you rather get hungry basuthe. So music ukwenza loyo nto leyo. Njengithi angilalanga before ngizoza la cause lento besilekithi ngifika nini. Mina ekabe bethi like I'm using the wrong things. Yabo mangithi ngegoli. Wasibani egoli? Uyabani? Yabo I told them then kunento mina ekhuluma nami ngiyiwa.
Abangeke bayizwa, abangeke bayi-understand.
Ngeke uyibona, ngeke wazi ukuyizwa thini ngiwrite down ngifake e-studio uyizwa.
So tell us about i-journey yakho ke yokusuka KZN usiza eJoburg. Not knowing ukuthi uzofikela kuphi, awuna ma relatives, awuna like awazi next, awazi umuntu, awuna friends like nje.
I think today usuku lami lokuthi ngimbonge lo sis ne. Sharon D, it was Sharon Dlamini.
Sharon Dlamini.
Yeah, you know that lady. Yeah, you know it. Yeah. Yeah. Usisi, she helped me a lot. Njengoba lento mayihlupha isuke Ayithi mina sengizwile ngaphakathi ukuthi ngifuna ukuya egoli. Ngezwe ukuthi ubuyile uhlala like not far from home eThekwini. Ngezwe ukuthi ubuyile phesheya. Ngaya kubo.
Uneminyaka emingaki isibindi esingaka?
I was still growing sister. Ngaya kubo.
No, I mean like by that time boneminyaka emingaki?
Mhlambe ngibheke kuba 18 kanje.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngaya kubo I knock. Kwavulwa igate ngangena sanibona yebo sazocela usisibani.
Oh man.
Bethu uyavela kangazi. she never saw me because ngile age encane enginayo. Yeah. Okay, ufunani kimi? Ngamtshela sisi ngifuna ukuphumelela.
Oh.
I want to be a musician. Ngifuna ukufika eGoli. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Then she helped me. We were communicating. She was in the US. I was in South Africa. Wanginika ama direction, wanginika umuntu engizolala kuyena just for a few days.
Man.
Yeah. Then from there ngafika nami eGoli ngahlala ke kubhuti wakhe kanjalo. But ngokuthi mina ngelo muntu okayitshela ukuthi kumele uyimele. Yabo uma uyimele ila uzokwazi khona ukukhula. But ngiyabonga sengibongile ngicela ukuyimela. Alikho khona engalazi mina eGoli. Hayi ngemoto ngenyawo. I started to sleep clubbing. Ngena nge-DJ ngicela ukuperform. I don't need money, ngicela ukuperform. Bagcwele abantu mostly endlini. Imuphi engifuna ngibone. Khohlwa imali mebrother. Faka mina stage. High performance. Kaduma ngoZulu Boy eGoli clubbing. This young man, Zulu Boy. Okay. It was fine for me because I already Zulu Boy with my own boy. Okay, now I'm saying Zulu Boy because by that time I was to understand my language. Bengazi isizulu sami nje.
Yeah.
Ngabe umntwana umpeli umtsonga.
Mina ngumZulu
mina.
Yes.
Ngamale sikhulume ngeEnglish sizama ukusondezana but
kodwa ke
waqala ilanguage vele but manje sekungcono. Yeah, from there ngayithola enye ihoti nami ngakwazi ukubloma till today. Mina ngifike ngo-2010 till today. Makufika isikhathi sokugoduka ngiyaphanda nami njengezinye izingane ngikwazi ukukhaya.
Yeah, uphathela abantwana amasweet. Oh, wow. That's great.
Namhlanje ngisala sister because abenginabo like ebengabafowethu ebenginabo ngithi ngifuna senze igroup like I think besinemcabango engefana. Abanye they like to have fun and mina I want to grow older but I'm young. So if I'm gonna have like more fun, booze and stuff and ngizomisa impilo yami. Makuhamba labantu abayi-backup kimi. Engizothi mangihlulwa yilezinto ezingihlulayo ngibalekele kubona. Mina ngizomela abantu. Iyona mbuzo ehlala iringa ekhanda lami till today. That's why ngisakhona eGoli, ngisakhona music. I think yeah, from 2010 till today. Because uqala ukurecord music ngiqala ukurecord 2009. Till today, sister.
Do you still remember ingoma yokuqala
my first song?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I am a writer. I have to remember everything, sister.
Is it?
Yeah. Mama Kaza.
Mama Kaza.
Yeah, yayithakekho Mama Kaza. Namhlanje ngeclubini ngiyofuna iwine stand.
Oh, so Umama Kaza according to the song Baby Mama.
Yeah, Baby Mama.
So since ulahlile
namhlanje yokokwabo.
Oh, so
nami uthi ngithi shwe eclubini namajida yabo ngoyitholela something yana.
Yeah.
Okay. We did that project and the album yasifaka kuma SA Got Talent. Yeah. Nakhona singena kanjani? Ngiyasebenza eshop ekhaya. Kwakusana ama public phone.
Yes.
Ngisekontainer. Mangithi ngifunda newspaper. We are searching the talent. What. I take that number, I put one unit on the public phone. I make a phone call.
Okay.
I find the director, I talk to the person. Then they said we must come. Then we failed on the second round.
Wow.
Because we were singing the song with in auto tune. So when we found something real. Seyibuyele ekuthenini ke sesiyakule nto mina ephila kimi ngaphakathi. Mina bengifuna ukuthi sicule vele for real, hayi ngemshini. Umshini awusisize wena la. Asicule for real, sihila abantu.
Yeah, kuzwakale like the real.
Yes.
The
So
real
mawenza those type of music ozofana kuba ngathi uyaxoxa aphaya naphaya uzoba ngathi like uzosebenza uzotshuna. Kanti moya all out vocal. It's where I started. Mina ngitrainile voice yami. Mangisekhaya walahla kwangekho umuntu ngasala ngeke ngihlabelele into eyibhadi.
Yeah, ne.
Sekela wonke ngiyageza ngiyacula. Ngiyacula. Even namhlanje nginengoma nje engiyibhalile. Njengoba ngithi angilalanga. Ngithe mangicede ukwenza kade ngikwenza. I play some beats. Akuyaziwa ke flethi nami ukuthi akune fruit man nje. Ozolizwa nimemeza lodwa somewhere. Yeah. And
Hlanya le ngoma.
Always. Ithi ekhaya siphila ngalokho esinakho.
Oyenze today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ekhaya siphila ngalokho esinakho.
Okay, yiphi ingoma ongathanda ukusisusa yona?
In my songs.
Yeah.
Impumelelo.
Yes.
Impumelelo because that song it mean mozilalela kahle. Ngathi ikhuluma ngento eyenzakalayo. Lo suku for me impumelelo. Le ngoma ithi we malowe yengithi mama vuka baba vuka malowe So mangithi like let's say abazali bakho basaphila ne uyabavusa ngengoma mawuphumelele inozoyenza mawufika ekhaya you are excited, you want everyone to wake up and see you on TV maybe, and see you on podcast maybe, or see you listening to you on radio. That is a success. Or qeda kuthola isipane esisha ufuna wonke umuntu wasekhaya be happy like yeah
bajabulisane nawe.
Yeah. Asizindaba asekho abazali bakho. Yabavusa nalabo elele khona with prayers. Uyathandaza itsada abanye baya emathuneni abanye bayaphahla like lonto yenza to like ukukhuthaza le happiness yakho.
Yeah.
So yonke injabulo yakhe iqala kumzali. Mawustopa manje la ngaphandle kukhona esikuthola siyekhaya. Yeah, so le ngoma ikhuluma ngaloko. So when I write that song I was feeling like I'm already there because vele ngira. Yabo. So why ngizosaba ukukhuluma because makhona le part ethi kwadlala iTV kwakhala isigingci. Yabo kwenzakalani la? Masethi lo munye mina ngisebenzela impumelelo wena ufuna ukuthini? Uzungazondi mase ngiwina, uzungazondi mase ngiphila because you are not there to support me.
Oh yeah.
But ufuna ukuba nama comment ngami. But you are not there.
You were not part of whatever
I was doing.
But manje like ugadane nje nento comment. Yeah.
Ufuna ufake comment nala engafuneki khona.
Nalapho kufanele uthule because awulandeli, you don't know me.
Yeah, le ngoma ikhuluma ngaloko. Then mase kuba my new project engiza nayo. We call it Ubizo. Ikona la uthola khona le ngoma lokade ukhala ngayo kade ngiperforma aboma 1 November ethi emandulo. Still nalapha ngisaqhubeka lapha kwimpumelelo. Angithi yeah ngithi lapha ya emandulo mina ngiphi. Mina ngumkhonto which means ngiyaphambili angihlehli. Base ngithi ngizohlaba inyanga zamabutha kaZulu dino dingane kuvuka uShaka Zulu mina ngiphi. Awu mina ngumkhonto. Amina ngiphi amina ngumkhonto. Emandulo bafana ngisho emandulo nongithinta emandulo hayi manje.
Jongasana umusic wakho wona uhamba koya ilane. I mean like
there's a Afro pop, there's a hip hop.
Yeah.
There's a soul also.
That's why mna ndithe xa ndimamele ndathi hayi man akusiyo gqoma akusiyo in. But then what is it?
So many message.
So like so far bakhona abantu abasebe adoptile kwesi style sakho so music.
My genre.
Yes.
Mina ngibuya kuma top 30. Am I right? Ngibuya kuma top 20.
Okay.
Yeah. I've started my YouTube channel. I'm almost like close to 100k viewers.
Oh wow.
That shows I've got my fan base.
Oh wow.
Got my fan base. Wherever I go, I perform. People they sing my songs, and I ask myself, "Hey, Bob, you say that playing okay?" Masibuya ingqondo ukuthi hayi aba abantu abakulandelayo phaya. Abanye babo uyabamita but ngeke ubabone.
Ngeke ubabone, ngeke ubazi.
Yes. because mina ngilwa nenhliziyo ngisho yami ingoma yaqala ukizwa namhlanje but uzorelate because into engikutshela yona akusiyo into entsha, into oyaziyo, into ophila ngaphansi kwayo kuphela lapha suke sesihluza inkulumo sesithatha siyibeke enhlizweni yomuntu ukuthi lalela uyaphola or awupholi, uyavilapha or uyaphakama. Yeah, because emhlabeni sonke sadalela ukuphakama, sadalela ukuphumelela futhi ukuthi nje kuphela mesabantu samagwala ne. Yeah, siyakusaba umzimba, siyabusaba umzimba.
Sifuna ama-miracles.
Sifuna nje kuhlale kuhle.
Alright, ma ubhala ingoma zakho yini ekukhuthazayo?
Impilo itself, my life, other people's life, my journey, whatever I see. I mean, I can sing about the tree, about the house, about the wall, about the paint, whatever. Into engiyibonayo mina it means something. It's either ngihlangana nomuntu ohluphekayo, for me ngiyakwazi ukuhlupheka naye nami. Because I know the struggle. I've been there. Even umama wami wakhala ngelinye ilanga ngimtshela ukuthi yabona abantu abavukuza imigqomo befuna ukudla ngibuya la.
Oh man.
Why bangafoni? Uthatha ulambile no. Le mali engicabanga ukuthi unayo nawe ngicabanga ukuthi uyayidinga.
Yeah.
That mean nginganyomfana, I have to be strong. Lento angimele ngiyithole phansi. Kumele ngiyilwele. So izinto mazizoza kalula uzolimala. Ngayivumela izinto eziza kalula. Yabo mo postpone usuku la namhlanje. I was happy because you give me another time to speak to uNkulunkulu nabakithi. Ukuthi ngibabuze ukuthi le ndlela engiyicelayo nalo hambe ngithi ngiyalithatha lona. Yes.
Yeah.
Ngabe mina mangifika kuyona lento engithi ngiyayifuna ngizowenza nomehluko empilweni yomunye umuntu.
Okay. If ungaphiwa opportunity ukuthi uyenze ingoma ne-artist, yipi artist ongathanda ukwenza ngoma naye?
For me.
Yeah.
Ngingathanda ukusebenza nawo onke amaciko mina ngokwami ngoba kune gap. Ngithi mina I am a creator. I am a songwriter. I am a singer. I am a freelancer beat maker. Ne?
Okay.
I'm doing my own small business, clothing, and I know production in terms of direction, camera wise, ne? So I bought umuntu uthi iziningi into engiyiphila la. I know streets. Ngiyayazi culture, ngiyayazi eyasecaweni. Yangithola. So igap esinayo kuma artist ubukelana phansi. Yabo, ungakholelwa komnye nomunye. Kunama artist engicabanga ukuthi mhlamba ngaba sa relevant namanje. If bathe xa befika esicongweni badonsa abaphansi. So for me, wonke umuntu engiciko ngiyafuna ukusebenza naye. Ngabe udumile, ngabe uphansi. Ngiyafuna ukusebenza nawe.
Into oyithandayo wena umuntu ofuna ukusebenza. Yeah.
Ngoba maso menshina abantu asebephumelele. Asikwazi ukuba menshina because maseqinisweni basikhohlwa. Yabo. I can't say I want to work with someone. No, I want to work with all of them because I know ukuthi mangangena kulesa space I can come up with something new to what into sesijwayele siyazi. Yabo, mina hlezi ngisho ukuthi ipiano nawahlukanisa unyaka but kushoda umuntu oyedwa. Yabo kulabo abantu abaningi kanje ya kushoda umuntu oyedwa. Ozofika nento encane.
Just a small
akekho kubantu abadumile usedustini.
Okay.
It's just that mase sidumile asibe saye emakhoneni.
And ukudla kulapha yena emakhoneni.
Like to ema restaurant bakushayela fast crew ekhoneni kuyaphekwa la because kumele sibazi kuvuthwa. And ayikho into emnandi yokusebenza nomuntu olambile than umuntu osuthi.
Yeah. because umuntu osuthi wenza ngokunganaki because like akapushela ukuthi
Yabo,
nakusasa ngisho
angisiyi umlandeli webhola ngaleyo ndlela, but I saw also a loophole ebholeni. Once waqala wahola kakhulu, sakuthanda saku-embrace,
yehla i-performance.
asamsobheka lo ongakayehlelwa i-performance khona ezokulekelela ukuthi ungakhathali because uzoba ne-competition. So uma ukuze sikhompithe sonke la endlini, which means sonke sigrand. Ubani ozothi ulambile because mina mangilambile ngizophuma ngoyifunele wami nawe uyifunele wami.
Exactly.
But makhona yabo indlala ikhanda into enhle indlala. Ikhanda into enhle kakhulu indlala. That's why abantu beyisaba. Mina you never hear me ngithi ngilambile. Namhlanje angaze ngidle, and it's my usual thing. I don't eat during the day. I eat when I sleep on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like into ozijwayeze.
Yeah. Because ngayibuza into eyi-one, mina mangingubaba ekhaya uzolamba mina. Makhona ukudla okwanele mina ingane zami zizodlala. Akusuthe mina kudle bona. Luseludo labo uhambo lami, uhambo sengilihambile, angilazi ukuthi lude noma lifishane. Yes.
But so ulihambile.
Sengilihambile. Because okuningi sengikubonile, okuningi sengiyakwazi. Sengiyazi makuthiwa umuntu ohlupheka umuntu onjani, umuntu olambile umuntu onjani, umuntu osuthi umuntu onjani, umuntu one-pride umuntu onjani. So mesingama-artist if singaqala nisisusa lento ethiwa i-pride phezu kwemizimba yethu. Mina ngibingelela wonke umuntu, hlonipha wonke umuntu.
Onento nongenani.
No, mina as mangakutshela ingane zami angihlali nazo, kodwa mina every day emnyango wami ngivuswa yingane zabo makhelwane. Efunda ukukhuluma, efundiswa yimina.
Oh man.
Because hlonipha omncane, hlonipha omdala.
Yeah.
Zithande khona uzokwazi ukuthanda abantu, zihloniphe khona uzokwazi ukuhlonipha abantu. Ayikho into edlule respect. Noma ngathi uyezwa ukuthi ayikho iphakethe lithi ayiphele respect, but okusephaketheni kuyaphela, inhlonipho ayipheli.
Yeah, injalo.
Because i-respect ihamba nemfundiso. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Before, ne?
Yeah.
Bekunama CDs, kunama cassettes,
Yes.
and bekukhona ukuhamba, maybe some people bebehamba baye training, baphethe ama CDs wabo, bafike bacule, badayise ama CDs wabo nama cassette like zonke lezo zinto lezo. But then now music like manje kusekusebenza online.
Online, yes.
So for you to get something
Yes.
ngengoma zakho kumele ukuthi sihambe siyobheka ingoma zakho.
Online.
And remember ukuthi not everyone une data. Not everyone, especially labantu basemakhaya ke ukuthi abana data,
yes.
abanye abana ma smartphones.
Yes,
so into enzakalayo ke manje ngizosendela omunye umngani wami ingoma yakho nge WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, Bluetooth, yeah.
Exactly. Wena ngaleso sikhathi leso uyaluza. So iku affecta kanjani lonto or ini affecta kanjani ningama artist?
Okay. I see it, my sister. For me, the way I understand my game and the game itself. Ushare umuntu ingoma with those free devices. Akusikhona ukuluza. Because uthi udlala ingoma yami ngikusendele nge-Bluetooth. Khona ohlele eceleni kwakho ne-data. Akakujwayele, uyasaba ukukubuza ngale ngoma. Uyakhona ukungena eShazam wayenze anything. Yakuthi from ukulandela uwe mahala.
Uthola
ngenhliziyo sengithola someone ozofaka isiko.
Yes.
Angithi yabona lento yami ithana halfway. Mina ke back in the days ngasho ukuthi mhlambe lento like isibindi nokuyinikela. I'm the first artist obe nama CD adayise etolo zo music independent. Okay. Yeah. I went there, I asked for the management and I told them I can bring this much stuff here in your shop. I'm doing this kind of music. This is my sample. Go and listen to this one. If you are able, I'll bring my CDs in your shop. For someone ozoyizwa mhlambe ikhale eTexini ayithanda ayithola store. Yeah.
Okay. So this thing yenza like ifuna ukuthi ube nesibindi ne
yonke into
be ne-confidence.
zinikele
Yeah.
zinikele because yabona manje mengingahlala endlini ngithi ngilambile ngingaki kubantu abangangisiza ngokuthi ngisuthe ngeke ngisuthe yonke into zinikele siswa zinikele go for it. Ngiyakutshela mina I played ema-radio even the big radio station you know you can mention them. Sometimes ngokubhala mangisuka ukudelela ne ngithi mina nangakini ngidumile even nangakini I'm famous. Yeah, but I won't live that lavish style ukuthi manje kufanele mangibona manje mina ngithole dustin mina I'm that type of an artist. Ngithole dustin mangidliwa inhloko emahashahasheni
ulapho
makwenziwa mina ngifuna ukuphila nabantu because ngizobalekela lo muntu olapha emuva kanti uyena umuntu obenganginika mhlambe more years okuphila yabo. So yathi it's all about ukuphilisa siswa. It's all about ukuphilisa yathi it's all about ukuphilisa abantu nawe uziphilise because nami ngiyahila ngomusic wabanye. Yabo khona yama-challenges engibhekana nawo ngibona ukuthi ayi akusaphumeki lapha state mase ngisho ukuthi hayi futhi ngilalela sibani kufaka ama-earphone ngimlalela ngithi hayi ayami ingeke ngathi uqinisile ngiyavilapha futhi ngivuke ngibangele. Yabo so now njengoba sekwi-digital level yabo into eningi mina ezenzeka manje I already have it in my mind. But it's that days ngikhoda ngabantu engahlala nabo ngibabonisa ukuthi yazi ukuthi lento le because I even tell other guy manager while I was staying in Durban ngithi abone radio indlela esibathanda ngayo abasakazi because asibabona if they can be someone ongabase studio abathatha ama-video then we post lo muntu kulula ukuthi sikwazi ukuba nobudlelwano obuningi naye because asigcini ngokumuza siphinde simbone.
Oh yeah.
Now it's happening.
Yeah ne. Oh okay.
Now it's happening. So yakwazi ukubona abasakazi beshaya ama-selfie sometimes singinama-camera kwezinye iy'tudio. Yes yiyona into engangiyifuna leyo. Now music ushintshile sesiyago online. It mean nomuntu ongabukeli iphi khona lomhlaba nomukeli iphezulu
seyakhona like akunyanzelekanga ukuthi kube yilaba abakwaziyo kuphela yena manje nomuntu okwelinye ilizwe angakhona ukufikeleleka
kuye. Even in UK they know my music. They know my music.
Okay, you said something about artist ukuthi utheni konje ukuthi niya undermine ngama-artist.
Yeah.
This thing yoku undermine ucabanga ukuthi ingalungiswa njani because you're not the first person okhuluma ngama-artist ukuthi bayanyathana like if yimi nawe senza ingoma uzo deliver ngivumela ukuthi ngithi ukudeliver ne uzo deliver ngoma uzofaka ipart yakho and then mawuqeda ukufaka leyo part yakho mina ngifuna ukwenza something better than you and then always 3 uzofuna ukwenza into ezoba ngcono like ucabanga ukuthi ingapheliswa njani leyo nto leyo.
Ngayisho ukuthi abantu abayeke ukucompete competition yakho wena ngeke uma esibukweni ubone mina kade kume wena esibukweni. When you go in the mirror like you looking yourself at the mirror like uzobona wena. You must swallow your pride. Ngithona? Yeah. Ngithe mina mangingena e-studio noma ngathiwa ngizile ukuzokwenza yami ingoma but mangizwe umuntu ecula into engibonayo ukuthi okay lapha imnandi but la seyanakala ngiyakhona ukungenelela ngilungise because lo muntu njengoba eseqalile awukuveza ukuthi ufuna ukube mnandi akusale sekuba mnandi phela.
Yeah kuze kuyophela.
Yeah ama-artist awayeke i-pride afunde nento ethiwa inhlonipho. Yabo ungafika la uhamba ngemoto upake afika umfowethu ehambela ngenyawo namateka akhe ayinqamukele samoya samawo so lapho ethu ne-talent ngaphezulu kwakho
lo wamateki
ngambukeli phansi la muntu angithi thina odokotela so makuyithina esilapha abantu uyithina esophinde futhi sijova nesodwa ngaba nge-medication wrong, that is wrong.
Okay. Abahlali ne-family
Yeah.
ne-friends
Yeah.
ingakanani support kubo, like bakusupporta kangakanani family, friends and ithi ngithi umphakathi.
uNkulunkulu emkhulu angeke ngiqale lapho. uNkulunkulu emkhulu nabangasekho bebakhulu ne. Ngiyayithola i-support because I think from the first no one was understanding because ekhaya mina waphuma eceleni azenzela music. Then ubaba omdala wami like from ehlo my relatives ukhona naye wenza umaskandi, is a legend yamaskandi. Yeah, so mina ngala ekhaya lami abantu bayasebenza, abantu bayafunda, mina ngeke ngiphuma sengithi ngiyahlabelela. So from the start bebe nga-understand, but le behavior yakho iya-counter. Angithi wena ufuna ukusupporteka, ufuna ukulekeleleka. So uma wenza izinto ezithi singakulekeleli, it means uyasixosha.
Yeah.
So mina akukho nzima ukuthi bengisupport because njengoba nginje manje nakusasa ngizobe nginje. Mina ngeke ngadlala njengoba ngithi in the big radio station ngahamba nabantu abakhulu. But umama wami bekwazi ukungigezisa izitsha mina ekhaya, namanje ngisayigeza futhi. Namanje ngisakorobha mina endlini ekhaya ngisapheka.
Because like uzohlala ungumntana ke.
Ukuthi radio lapha ngunumber 1 kwi-top 20.
Iphelela khona lapha.
Lapha ngisemsebenzini la ngisekhaya.
Futhi uyingane.
Ngingane la. Why mina ngizoqinisa isandla kwabami but mina ngingafuni isiqinekile. Engiyikona manginabangani bami, engiyikona mangisemsebenzini wami in my music space, akumele ngibe yikona mangifika endlini. Even uma sendlini akumele asifile lesa space ukuthi sengihleli ne-celebrity, nangu umuntu sebali imali zakhe, nangu umuntu senze ukuthi no.
Makayazi nje ukuthi ubaba wasendlini.
Yabona ukuthi yasho ipoto lapho baba amele ngigijime ngocisha nami.
Ungathi hayi.
Ngovuze magovuzeka yangithola. Because empilweni mawuzibeke phansi kulula ukuthi I think mhlawumbe uba ngikho phansi ngaba ngikho la namhlanje. Yangithola?
Yeah.
Because bengizohamba ngokubuka ukuthi hayi mina angila ngiyala. Sibhilonga yonke indawo saba uNkulunkulu mfethu. uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuthatha kubeke ebunini ngalopho usuku. Enza shona ukuthi wena la uhamba khona uyabheka la unyathela khona.
And wenze sure ukuthi lapho osuka khona ushiya ku clean.
Yes. Makuthiwa shiya umake emuva ungashiya umake wrong ozoxabanisa nabantu.
Yes.
Mina la ngihlala khona right now ungangifica like on a random day hlezi khala abantu. Khala ngisho igenge ekhulayo. Wena malume uhlezi unomoya wodwa asikaze sikuze uthetha asikaze ngithi mina yazi uthini imshana. Mawuhleli nabantu ngisho ngathi uhleli nabantu abawu-20 as long uzophila nabo isikhathi esiningi. Funda ngamunye ngamunye, character yakhe, ulimi lwakhe, upbringing yakhe, indlela okhuliswe ngayo nendlela okhuliseke ngayo siyibona ngawo. Umuntu oyena simbona ngawe.
Athi wena injalo.
Yeah.
Injalo.
So ayikho into edlula inhlonipho. Mina ngiphila ngayo. Angikaze ngayiphatha iweapon mina. But isikhali sami ushembe idlozi uNkulunkulu. Because ngaphandle komdala wensuku idlozi alikho.
Yeah.
Ushemba akekho. So masohlala okholweni lethu. Ukholwa akusho ukuthi kumele uye esontweni. Akusho ukuthi kumele ufake izembatha. Iba neqiniso ngaphakathi. As much as lento ongeke ufune yenzeke kuwena, igweme komunye umuntu.
Yeah, ungayenzi nawe komunye umuntu. Yeah, injalo.
Angithi wena ufuna unyathelo wakhe amakhono, ufuna ahlale ecijile. Cijisa ke phela. Yes. That's why ngithi every song I write ngifuna siye kumuntu.
Kune message.
Asikhulume nomuntu. asilungise lento esiyibonayo eshodayo kumuntu, asilaphe umuntu. Besakhuluma ngayo le ndaba yokusquash into efana nama-beef nokubambisana zamaciko. Ya, engingakusho nje yona i-beef ezela simthelela amanzi siyipheke sidle sonke lo beef cause
Sisuthi.
Ya, sisuthi because kubalulekile ukubambisana mesamaciko.
Yeah.
Ya, kubalulekile.
I-beef mayikhona ingathi like kungaba la competition le healthy.
Yes.
Yeah, leyana booster i-confidence yomunye nomunye.
Le umdlalo wengoma vele.
Yeah.
Le umdlalo wengoma vele. But nayo as ngicathi leyo kusongayona i-beef sokungcweka kweyinsizwa. Ngithi uyazi manje iyinsizwa so ifanele nihlale nedlalisana ngendlela ethile yokuqinisana. Ukuthi baba kunjani lapho. Yeah. Ngayibeka kanjalo.
That's all.
Yeah.
Okay. Awaphi ama-challenges ofacana nawo khona lapha kwi-industry?
Firstly, Mandela okuyimali.
Hayi, uyabona-ke manje.
Yeah. My first challenge imali.
Yeah.
My first challenge imali because asikhumbule la. Makhona imali konke singakhona ukwenza. Yeah. Because umqondo mawukhona soshoda ngento ezowulekelela. So that is my own challenge mina music.
Yeah.
Because okunye for me it is mina ngisemuntu onefear my sister. And ngiyakholelwa ekutheni mawune knowledge better than eyami asishare. Angizehlise ngize kuwena ngikubonise ukuthi mina ngihamba ngicina la. Can you share or pour something on my cup ukuthi nami ngibe on the level lapho ngicwalise?
Yes.
Yeah. But nje yabo if singaba nama funding mhlambe kusasa singabe shy podcast esi-international sishayela phesheya.
Ne?
Yeah.
So i-challenge enkulu imali kahle because like even if ungaba nayo leyo ngoma leyo kunzima kumele ukuthi ubhadale uma uyorecorda kumele ukuthi uhambe like uhambe ngenyawo maybe i-distance like
kumele transportation studio sessions marketing side PR side yonke lo nto idinga imali. So if we are not stable in terms of financially, I think kuzoba ngathi kusalele emuva kanti akukho njalo imali yenza yonke senza sibe bahle.
Yeah. So okay.
But ngaphandle kwemali akekho umuntu bandle ngathi mhlambe uyangivimba uyangivala mina ngisindoda enovalo ngoba avula kuvaliwe.
So like kulawo ma-challenges lawo ke if you can be given i-opportunity ukuthi okay ku-music industry kunezinto eziso ezingekho right. Obvious kunezinto ezinye futhi ezi-right. You understand? Kunezinto ke ongafuna uku-add, kunezinto ongafuna ukuzikhipha. Yini ongayikhipha, yini ongayifaka if wena kungathiwa iba in charge ke manje
ku-music.
Yes.
Ngakhipha wonke lamakhehla amadala abambe igame. Mase ngifaka abantu abasha. Yeah. Awazi ukuthi noma sowubona ukuthi right but safuna ukuhlala entweni. Nika omunye ithuba. Akinaso ophiwe ithuba. Dedela abanye. Akusine kudedelana sisho njalo sidinge usine wedwa for years and years.
Kukhona abanye abahleli.
Let's say nje South Africa as a whole country for me, not in the music space only, as South Africa say country shorter than that ukufukulana kuphela. Phakamisana lento ethi ukuphakamisa omunye umuntu. Is that the only thing eshoda ngayo? From the top level till the down level shoda ngokuvusana. And baswina ngayo laba futhi laba besithi ababuyele emakubo manje. Bayavusana
bona thina.
Awungena ufike umfethelana njengekade esitolo evuka edayisa sinenini sene shop yakhe.
Yeah.
but mina ungangifaka eshop yakho ngizotshotshwa yona le nyuki yakho ugcine kuwe le shop kuwathina sonke.
Uya understand?
Uyangivusa ngiyakuyisa mina.
Mawuqeda nawe uphinde ulande
siwe sonke. Yes, that's what we do. So masingashitsha into ezincane. Yabo thina sabantu abamnyama sibanjwe into ezincane actually. That's why kumele sikhulume lezi zinto ngo true music. Singayi celebrate zikhona zincane zinjalo fanele sikhulume true music ukuthi bafowethu let's change this and this and this and this. Let's do like this and this and this. Sibe abantu, sibe nobuntu. Then ngeke libe khona igama lethi ubuntu kumuntu if alisebenzi.
Yeah, yabona le ndaba le yamakhehle from eParliament until uthini hle?
Ngithi so like we know ukuthi kunama record labels amakhulu.
Yeah.
This banama artists ukuthi they have big artists ukuthi ayalamba today.
Yeah.
And then these labels I think ngokubona kwami they are ripping artists off.
Yeah.
Like bayawadla ama-artists ayalimala.
Yeah.
They don't see a future yabo grand.
Yes.
Because they just give artists impahla iningi don't give them into ezobayenzela i-future bright tomorrow. So yini ekhosa like yini wrong eyenzwa ama record label ukuthi alimaze ama-artists in this way.
Okanye ke na yini eyenziwa ngama-artist.
Yeah, or yini kumele yenziwe ukuthi ama-artist akhona ukuba grand empilweni nawo. Sifuna ukwazi like I want to understand the problem.
All right. Asithi i-problem iqala la. Ungayivumeli indlala i-control. Iqala lapha problem. Kwi-artist. Indlala. Ngithi manje ngiqeda khala ngemali.
Yeah.
Someone is coming, he's got the money, fancy things. I forget about me. Sengibona lezi zinto ezingakuyena, sengifuna ukuba kulela side lakhe, sengifuna ukuphila njenganaye. Yini ebesenza sihlangane from the first place? Iphupho lami. Lela libonile wafuna ukulisebenzisa ukuthi liqhakaze limkhokhele lingikhokhele. Yeah, nathi sama artists sinawo ama mistake ongabe honest kuthina uqobo lwethu. Because I don't think ukuthi ukhona umuntu ongakuthengela impahla edurayo if wena uyamtshela iqiniso ukuthi awuzifuni. Angithi uyazi ukuthi kasho ibelambile. How come uzogqoka isikipha se-10,000 but ekhaya balambile?
Awulali nasembedeni ngisho u10,000
Gini. Usayolala ekhishi.
Umbhede.
Usayolala embuzini.
Uya understand?
Ulala phansi sitting room lapha sister. Yangithola. Yolala sitting room lapha ekhaya uyohlupha amashadi egudluka kodwa ngalokho 10,000 t-shirts. Iba honest. Ungajabuleli ubukhazikhazi zakhele ubukhazikhazi. Ama companies ashaya ngenduku yethu. Ukuthi manje umuntu ushaya ngenduku yakhe. Wena ufika wahlasela abantu bakuphuciwe ephone bayithatha kwayeya bashaya wena. That's what recording companies does. Mina I started my own record label since back in the days. I've been independent since day one. Because angijahe the spotlight. Makumele singifice sozela.
Because most jaha sizokuxaka.
So come on ngale ndlela esisho. Ugcina usayina icontract ongayifundanga.
Because you're excited.
Yes. Jaho ohlala ko Midrand, jaho ohlala ko Sandton. No, fight. Kuzuthi noma ulele eMidrand. Usho uthi hayi mina orentayo la mangirent, mina othengela mangithenga. But uvumela omunye umuntu ekutreat njengengane yakhe. Wele once wavuma umuntu ekutreat njengengane yakhe usiyacontrol. So udla makuvuma yena, so lala makusho yena, so wenza okushiwo yena. That's why I was saying mina if young manager, I will meet you halfway. Uzothi usaphuma usayocabangela okunye nami ngibe ngozama engikufunayo. Because ngenzela
ubuya nalokho beke etafuleni nawe ukusithi
ngifuna uhlale ngiready ukuthi anytime if uyangifeyila ngingazifeyili mina.
Yeah.
Ungahluleka yimina but mina ngimele ngihluleke yimina. Iyona phutha lama artist lelo.
Okay, I think in your question like kulento lena ukuthi ama artist ama record label wona ayawenza ama mistakes the way engi understand nakhona, but then nama artists afika abe too comfortable.
Yeah.
Because like for instance if uthengela i-t-shirt ye 10k uthi ungangithengeli nginike leyo 10k ngizozithengela i-t-shirt ye 500 rand then ngifuna ukwenza something kithi, we understand. So I don't think bangathi no.
Yabo lami nje osho ukwazi wena ukwenzela into engaka ngeke asaba ukwenzela abantu bakini because wena umbonisile ukuthi wena ukho la ngawe ulangani. It's not all about you.
And the minute ke manje uthengelile like since ukubeke la kwipalm yesandla sakhe, the minute ke manje eba grinding ngawe uyakuyekela. That's why uzowa ke from hero to zero.
I've once been on a record label. Yazi lapha ngisho amanzi abakunika wona baya account
ukuthi minus 20 rand.
Yeah, I bought you a water. I bought you food.
Yeah.
Le petrol besihamba ngayo akhumbula ukuthi mina befanele ngiyele eNorth. So bese South besihambela wena. Le petrol icounter wena. What about imazi uzohlala estate?
Bazocounter ku.
Bazocounter ku.
And bona bazakufunela indawo expensive.
Njobe expensive.
So that uzohlala bazohlala beku-owner vele.
Yabo nje ubuzohlala indawo expensive. That shows ukuthi kwawena vele you expensive, uyadura. But wena ngabaza lo. Uvumela ihangi kulawo. Yabo uyazi ngabazi wena ukuthi how big are you or how big you are, but wena ufule yabo. Mina company ngabatshela mina simple ngathi mina wena ngithi ufike nephepha akuyi contract, mina ngifike ne project ekumsebenzi wami. Hamba nephepha lakho ufike udabule nami ngizosala ne project yami ngiyiqhubekele.
Okay.
Sithi hayi awukwazi ungi-owner ungangizalanga ngoba nomzali wami uzohamba dideke mina along the way. Kunezinto angasazazi ngami. So wena how come ngoba unenyuku nemali ne-contract? No, iba honest uma umuntu. Akithi mayiphuma nje ideal ithiwa siyakusayina or whatever, batshele ukuthi ikhona nephathi lapha ebala umndeni wami.
Ikhona vele.
Ayikwazi ukuba khona. So njengoba ingekho ngisho wena uyaqhamuka uza nento tricky to what bona ukuthi yazi lo muntu lo akanayo ifi uyafuna ukuyimela and uyayazi into akayizelela. But wena sekhishwa amahenisi sekhishwa amawatwati so ujabulela lokho, which means you are fine. Vele yona into kade uzoyifuna lela. Ifani. You are here for fun, not like
Thola ke nayi ifani.
Nayi ifani. Nabo my sister. My sister nabo abafowethu. Yabo. Ngalo makudliwe imbungu lekhaya lala esiphonjeni wena ulele empedeni we-15,000. Buzi contract ibekwa la ukuthi ikhona noline umenshina ekhaya othi family. Awukho vele kwi-contract, ayikho contract eneno line othi family. So lo muntu uyamkhombisa ukuthi why you are here. Akithi ngizofuna ukuchazelela sasi ngisakhe. Mase uyamtshela yona lokho kwakho oze ngako ukuthi mina ngila my brother ngizosebenzela ingane zami, ngizosebenzela umndeni wami, ngizoshintsha impilo yami, ngidinga lezi zinto ezo3. Maze ngeke contract brother ngicela siye.
Angeke sisebenze
so. Yeah. Because kwi contract angithi ayikho into ethi ifani. Awukho la inothi ifani, but ifani it's happening inside there.
Yeah.
Okay. Asuse lo la inothi ifani, mase sithi family. Alikho ke athi ezothiwa donateleni usekaphuwa nani ke iflop yethu uyakuthola lo okuncane so ukhohlile abafethu wadula nabo ama-scopers ekhoneni. We are living the lavish life. Seyanakala impilo yabo. Angithi laba abantu already bayakurobha but khona bakunika kona. Yini ke wena ungakheli kuloko abakunika kona yabo? Because lo muntu umitha along the way reaching now. Uyamazi ukuthi usesebenza nabantu abangakuthila azafike kule level wena umthole sekuyona. Nawe izikhandleke ukuthi nawe ube kule level awumfice sekuyona ngowakho plan. If they give you 5,000 you must chow and save.
Yeah.
Eat safe. Because one day makuthiwa kuyaphela but you have something. But when umswapheni wena la hamba khona umswapheni ngeblack card encane. Hayi ngeke akwazi.
kunalangane leyana ekula age yakho
Yeah.
ubusemakhaya wena uringelwa ngama-lyrics
Yes.
esikoleni
Yes.
ofuna ukuba i-artist naye
Yeah.
onomqondo ukuthi manje ingathi angapakisha impahla zakhe ahamba eGoli ayocula. Ungathini kubo labo bantu labo abafuna ukuba ngama-artist manje?
The mistake that I did, asiqale ephutheni engalenza ukuyeka isikole. Iphutha lelo. And ngeke ngikwazi ukulifixa. But ngokuthi ngilo umuntu enguyena ngikwazile uku-adjust. Kwangagcina ngikwi-knowledge engagcina ngiyiphiwe othisha. So mawusesikoleni unetalente sasemncane usamusha funda.
Okay.
Akekho umuntu ongaphuca imfundo yakho. Because imfundo yakho izolekelela isikhathi sakho lekuyi-talent. Angeke wasayina ama-contract wrong.
Ngoba uya-understand lento.
Angeke ucontrolwe indlala. Wena uzocontrol indlala, wena uzocontrol the situation ngemfundo netalent. Thina survivor because siyeka isikole ngalesa ikhathi swakwazi ukuthi mawuyeka isikole ubamba manje sekufuneka umqondo.
Yes.
If umqondo wakho awukwazi ukukuphilisa ayisho wena uzogcina usibambe inkunzi. Ngiqala uyathi sowuyisela ayisahlangani yabo. Kanti mozofunda kuyabhalansa because makulekha kancane kwi-art uyoncenga ngemfundo. Mayibhalansisa imfundo ubuyela kwi-art yakho yabo. But mozoba nokugodwa ayingeke ukwazi ukulwimpa uphethe itshe elilodwa. Kumele ube nezikhali mawusempini zokulwimpa uyini. That's why nami ngisasurvive namhlanje. Ngabalalela othisha, ngabalalela abazali, ngabalalela abafowethu nodadewethu engihlangana nabo endleleni, ngayilalela lempilo. Yabo, funda noma ngathi i-lyrics bantu aseliqaya kakhulu noma i-acting seyihlanyisa ikhanda vele ubupapa action ezincwadini.
Instead ungase uraphe ngalento
if
uyalepeka. Yani.
Yeah. Because imfundo iyasiza. Iyasiza imfundo. Uyezwa abantu bakutshela imfundo iyasiza masister. Because bangafundisekile futhi imfundo ayikho kwena.
All right, Budiza, like before siva like ikhona into ongathanda ukuthi ungawuphumi kulo mnyango loyana ungakhange uyishare nathi.
Noma kukuningi but ngizosho kumbala. Ngiyabonga wona umuntu osangikhombisa uthando ku-music engikwenzayo nasentweni engizenzayo. Ngiyabonga kubona bonke abangesekayo. Mina I always feel like mawwazi ukuma nomuntu noma mawwazi ukweseka umuntu uyifamily mawunjalo. Even today njoba ngila namhlanje ngisekhaya. As from today you are part of my family.
Yes.
Whatever situation ongabhekana nayo, whatever ncedo ongadinga, uzomele nami ngifake isandla la ngakhona khona. So ngiyacela sabantu sifunde ukulekelelana, sifunde ukwamukelana, mase siye ukujajana. Mase sizame ke abantu ukugwinya yonke lento ethi uyi-pride siyigwinye nesinambithe silalele mase siba nobuntu komunye umuntu. Sifunde ukufukulana. Kunabafowethu abanezimali la ngaphandle abaphiwe ngendlela abaphiwe ngayo, but indlela abaspenda ngayo imali yabo bayispenda ngendlela e-wrong. Yazi kulula ukubusiseka more if usiza abantu
ngendlela e-right.
Yeah. Iba usize ebantwini, ungabi isithe ebantwini. So ngifuna bakwazi abantu emakhaya, mawune beef, mawunomuntu omzondayo, mawunomuntu ombambela igqubu, phuma ra. Ayibhadari, ayikhokheli, izomisa impilo yakho. Mhlambe lo muntu wakunyathela ikhono usedlulile wena usahleli la.
Yani.
Ekhoneni, phuma lapho. Mase nihambe nithola music wami, khona into engizoyithola. Uzozwa thina shaya isipikili ke silwa ngempela ukuthi enhliziyweni ayiphole inhliziyo, ayifunde inhliziyo, awukhulu umqondo. Yes. But singabantu asiyekutshatshana, siyekubukelana phansi, sifukulana, silekelelana, sithandana. Ayikho into edlula uthando. Ngisho ngathiwa bakhethe kangaka but uthando ngeke liphele. Umlomo ongaqamba amanga ukuthi liphelile. But ngaphakathi lithi no, I'm still there. Ayikho into edlula uthando.
Nalithinda le point lelo, so I didn't want to disturb as ihlwele or isethameli se-ZTV. So lapha endabeni yethu angithi nami ngiyifake ngiyifeature. Kade kunale point eraise ukuthi why amakhehle engaphumi kwi-industry, why ama-record label bethanda amakhehla. By that time, omadala besayina ama-contract, those fake contracts. Sikhumbula ukuthi abaningi baba bafundile. So i-youth ithi iphuma umuntu wa-grade 12. Usefundile, useyazi just i-intro ukuthi kwenzakalani ku-music industry. So yena ngeke uzumdonse ngekhala njengalawa amakhehla. So bathandela ukuthi they don't know anything.
Alright. Sayithola le tasho voice. Yeah, nami ngiyithola message. And useraise ipoint elitheshazi kodwa kuphela alifikanga la way achaza ngakhona. Yeah, and uqinisile mfowethu because if you checked abantu bakudala bethu bebejaha ukubeka isiko etafuleni. And nesikole besingekho kangakho. Yabo? Siyabuyela ke kuloya line kade sosho ukuthi esikoleni noma ngathiwa iriliki lenzani liyabusa ekhanda hlala encwadini. That's why I want industry manje if you checked abantu bakudala bebengaphumeli phandle ukuthi bayarojwa benziwani.
Bona ba accept and appreciate whatever abayinikwayo.
Yeah. So imfundo bafethu. Imfundo balekile imfundo. Asifunde ungezwa ngathi sithi hayi mina yebo nami ngomunye wabo.
But
abayeke bekole kodwa ke but masiyeke isikole ngoba ngikufane nami. Yabo mina ngisiyeka ngesikole salahleke engqondweni sasala. Yeah.
And to add, if you are fully equipped ngemfundo kukancane ukuthi bedlale ngawo because into ezalayo komadala they can't even google ukuthi kwenzakalani ngama-royalties, uyabona?
Yeah.
So umntwana ofundile which fully equipped ngemfundo kunzima ukuthi ungamroba. That's why bengabasayini.
Yes.
Bafuna ukusayina umuntu ongazi ngemali, owazi
because they want all your masters, everything.
Because these are two different things. Cishe ifane ukwazi ngomusic, ukwazi ngemali ku-music.
Yes.
So yiyo leyo kuyisho ukuthi abantwana bengaphumi esikoleni. Awuthi uphuma esikoleni usuwazi exactly ukuthi kahle kahle even ungasayina but akubalekile kangako.
Yes.
Yeah, you can push music wakho njengoba MTK enza emele artisted imele. So yeah, ilapho nje.
Yeah.
Okay.
Siyabonga.
Umuntu ofuna umusic wakho uzothola kuphi?
Sikhona kuma platform and we're going to drop something on DistroKid. You can go on YouTube, khona uMthokozisi Nzimande, uNzimande wakhona iSwati. It's NDZIMANDE Nzimande wakhona. Then mawufika ngaphansi kwaMthokozisi Nzimande, as long ungakayiboni into ethi MTK Black Shandies, ungakayiboni isign ethi Black Dance Entertainment, which means awakafiki uMthokozisi omfunayo lo. Yeah. Then on TikTok MTK Black Shandies, on Facebook Mthokozisi Nzimande, on our page it's MTK Black Shandies, on Instagram Thokozisi Nimane. Most of the time I'm using like my real name.
Okay.
Yeah, because lelagama ngaqanjwa ugogo, so angikwazi ukudampa.
Yeah. Ungashiyi.
Ngaqanjwa intombi yami yokuqala yabo. Yeah, it was my first girlfriend, so angikwazi ukulahla igama elinjalo.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so nje nisupport abafethu, we appreciate whatever esibonayo, right? Yazi like nje, it means a lot.
Yeah,
Subscribe, it means a lot. Yeah. Then thina singakwenza ke nje uhlala epenini sikunike into ezokupholisa inhliziyo
Ezokuphilisa.
uphile.
Oh man, thank you so much man Bhutom.
Yitho dokotela bempilo, siyabonga.
Yes, doctor. Siyabonga
Yes.
kakhulu doctor ngokuthi usivakashele today.
Yes.
Siyabonga. We appreciate. We wishing you nothing but all the best.
Follow the podcast. Kuyaphilwa la ekhaya bafowethu. It's a home of entertainment, home of life, home of health. Siyanthanda bafethu emakhaya. Stay tuned.
Oh man, thank you so much guys. Let's catch up on our next episode. Guys, let's do it. Let's laugh and support each other. Until next time. Danko.
Siyabonga.